sunset. Another day, another dollar. And this day we've reached, and it's another bucket list ticks. So, special day. We didn't climb that one.
Daai ene geklim.
Is dit daai geklim? Links van ons Table Mountains. So, op by die dag. Ag, gatte. Ons gee die Here al die lof en eer. Wat 'n dag. Wys my gee jou watch, hoe laat is dit?
My mom was like, well, maybe, I think it's up. I think maybe it's better.
Ek kan jou wys.
5 to 7.
Check, where's the sun?
Dankie Here, ons eer U, ons loof ons prys U. Dankie vir die goeie memories saam met goeie vriende. Dit was nou so cool. Dis die laaste bietjie van die son. Dink ek gaan nog 'n minuut hou. 10 9 8 2 1. Daar's hy nou. Sy. Nou gaan dit donker word.
Check out that cloud is still shining bright.
As hy, nou dis een ding nou, tyd staan nie stil vir niks of vir niemand nie. Vir niemand. Daar's die maan. Nog 'n dag is verby. Dis 'n begin, as 'n einde. When we've done that, God is good all the time.